去附近这边的，像我们到
近这边吗？
Welcome. You're going to join my friends and I as we head over to Bali and Bangkok for vacation. First off, we're going to explore the natural beauty of Bali. How's everyone feeling?
Love it. Feels so amazing.
Yeah?
I only got 3 hours of sleep. Don't look at me, I'm sweaty.
Yeah, who's sweaty and tired?
I'm Putu.
Great God, we love
Ready.
Jimmy, how are you feeling?
Oh, much better. I'm refreshed.
Oh, you look
I'm refreshed.
How's everyone doing?
It knows there's food.
No, it's just like, you know.
Who's on their second? Who hasn't done the second sandwich? Jansen.
Tom?
Oh, Tom. No, Tom's eating it. I think Jansen. No, he wiped it. He has a wipe. Oh yeah. Can you do my egg?
No.
We are hiking. Hi Jimmy, what are you doing? Wow.
Don't bite, just thing.
Oh, it's
The
just chew.
seed you
Oh, that's the seed.
you send to Swiss to make a good chocolate. Sweet, sour. Yeah. And this, the other one also you can party tonight. Yeah. Okay. Bring it inside, yeah?
It's raining. And we're hiking.
Hey, what happened to my shoe?
So,
Oh, you want me to
the water started increasing, so we had to jump. How is it, Jimmy? The heavy rains started coming. This was all dry before. Are you okay? It's coming so fast. Oh, that's mine. Here, give me the phone.
Well, I had no choice.
I know, oh my god, the water was coming so fast.
I know.
I know, and then you can hear it though. You can hear it in the distance. The water was increasing.
so scared.
You're like, am I gonna have to jump? So we just left the first waterfall, and now we're gonna go to another one.
You die if you do that.
Nah! He's over there. You gonna do this? gets back out of the water. There he is. He's out. He's out. Yeah, Tom! You're gonna do it? You're gonna do it? So we jumped. That's aggressive and below. Jimmy, Tom, what'd you think? Jimmy, how you feeling yet? Why? It was a very long jump. He did it twice.
I have to write the description. If your mama get drunk, you love your family get drunk, so you need to out.
If I was a story to be told, then I would say it all. Oh, if I was a fire, a burning light, then I would break into the night. Come tell me how I'm wired.
Hour later. Present what that looks like. Headed back to the hotel.
I reach for the sky when I fear the night. You touch me, wide and deep, and you're making me feel strong yet weak, calling me to the great and unreal. You pull me higher than the stars, and I'm just holding on. Come tell me why I reach for the sky when I fear the night. You touch me, wide and deep, and you're making me feel strong.
This is a big slide.
Yeah, it's a big slide.
Okay, so we can do this one too.
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, I'm not doing this one.
She's saying the same.
What are you thinking, Paul? When did you do it, Tom?
Yeah.